There are tons of reasons why obese or overweight people try to lose weight. Some want to be healthier, to feel and look better, while others want to have more energy to accomplish their daily tasks. No matter what the reason is, healthy weight management and successful weight loss depend on sensible goals as well as expectations. If you set goals for yourself, it is not impossible to meet them and have the chance to maintain your weight. Anyone can lose weight effectively. Get to know all your needed information here. Weight loss is the term that is on many people's minds. Some need it for medical reasons and others for aesthetic purposes. While there are many solutions available in today's market and advice can be found easily over the internet, achieving weight loss goals is totally a different matter. People struggle to lose weight mainly because of wrong expectation and misguidance due to the different product marketing. Before you rush and start on your weight loss plan, consider the weight loss basics first. The basics of weight loss: decreasing one's pounds is one aspect of an effective and successful weight loss. This is the main idea that everyone can relate to. It is also measurable and can bring visible results. The words, weight loss, convey these notions. Losing weight revolves on various important aspects, including restoring and improving one's health, staying on the track to achieve all your weight loss goals, and transforming and keeping a leaner body. For you to achieve successful weight loss, you have to keep in mind the weight loss basic principles. These include the following. Lose fat, stay motivated, gain muscle. In order for you to be successful, you have to take note that you need to make extra effort, as there's no shortcut in shedding those unwanted pounds of yours. Lose fat. Diets can help you. Eating correct and healthy balanced diet is important when losing weight. Choose and follow a diet that is rich in fiber and protein and low in refined carbohydrates. Once you have increased your intake of fiber and protein, you will lose your weight gradually and your strong muscles will develop. Also, if you consume less refined carbohydrates, you get rid of piling calories, which don't provide the needed nutrients of your body. Gain muscles. Do some workouts when losing weight. Gaining muscle can help. It is because fat will be burned to provide you the right energy in which muscles require in staying alive. It's interesting to note that a pound of fat requires only 3 calories while a pound of muscle needs 75 to 150 calories every day to work. Therefore, if you want to see results when losing weight, it's imperative that you do workouts. You can consider any exercises or workouts. But, anaerobic and aerobic exercises are essential for your body to work harder. For better results, alter your exercise routines to maintain the stimulation of your body. Some consider weight loss programs just to do workouts. There are even others who enroll to a gym class. You don't need to spend a huge amount of money when doing workouts. You can do workouts at your home. Just choose those exercises that will not require gym equipment. When doing workouts, take it seriously and stick on your plan. Learn to be motivated. Exercising regularly with consistency and commitment is a must. Do not make mistakes and expect for quick results like most people do. You have to take note that it also takes time to see results. Staying motivated. It is vital to accept that weight loss does not happen quickly. Losing weight is a journey in which you need to monitor your progress. With this, you will be able to see results while being motivated with your plan. Losing weight may be easy for some because of using magic pills. But, if you want to improve your overall health and maintain a healthy weight, then stay motivated and get going, as this can make a difference.